Here we are, day 2, Monday, June 5th, driving towards Nebraska to chase down a supercell. And here's our guy Brian, another guy Kenny, RDC, high-tech guy Nick, chewing Oreos.
It was after hours, but they were.
And I can't really film me, but here's my high-tech equipment.
So they kind of simulated an open outcry thing for options.
A little dumber because Nick wouldn't let me use his stupid camera.
Like, let's say the bond pit. The bond pit is huge. They've got probably 5 different markets.
I can't do it now.
Because one guy over here is not here with the other.
You're wasting my film.
It's like that.
Yep, stop it, dude. Please stop it. Stop the stupid camera.
Stop what? It's not doing anything.
I don't care. Waste of battery. I don't care.
I'm not doing anything.
I know it's on.
There's a bunch of people basically shouting at each other.
Here, Mom, this is for you. Yeah, what's up, man?
It gets so loud.
What's up? What's up?
It's hard to tell what people are saying.
What's up, man?
And basically, you have traders, short-term traders. You have people who are long-term. You know, they're getting.
Here we are recording our guides on the trip. They're talking about how close we are. We're about 25 miles away from the main storm.
I forgot. Yeah, can you turn down the AC a little bit back there? We're a little cold. Just turn the fan part. Temperature that cold.
No applause, no applause.
They wanted to off? No, they just wanted the fan lower, but still cold. I guess they were just getting frozen out.
Did it?
There you go. Yeah. I think they were just getting frozen out.
Okay, here we are traveling. The main storm is right there where that arrow is. And we are over here.
57 sure.
I don't know how well you can see it, but those clouds over there, behind those trees mean something right now.
Updraft base. Above that, somewhere back in there is where the main updraft is, and the air is going up into the storm.
Gotcha.
It doesn't rain there. That's why it's called a rain-free base.
Gotcha. This is Nick's Gatorade bottle.
Good enough?
Yep. We'll talk about it later. This is Monday, June 5th, day 1, first storm. Pretty awesome. I'm moving forward because there's people in front of me. Anyway, it's funny because the weather outside is like really nice, but man, a few miles away it is just like crazy. You can actually see the low winds moving. It's really, really interesting. I'll try to zoom in some. If you look really closely, you can see that the wind's moving. Oh, and you can hear some thunder. You can hear some thunder. Except for I'm talking over it, but other than that, you can hear it.
So what we're saying is something could possibly just pop out.
You can see the storms moving. If you look very closely, try to keep the camera steady, and you can see the wind actually moving, or the clouds, bottom clouds moving.
A lot of blowing dust.
You move it wherever you want.
There's some dust blowing right in the field here in front of us. We'll probably have to load up in the next minute or two.
Yeah. Here, Nick, we gotta get ready to go. The dust is coming right at us. What? We gotta get ready to move, sit in there. Yeah. The dust is coming right for us.
All this cool outflow.
There's a bunch of dust headed right for us, and we're gonna have to move pretty soon because of it. Is mine right here? It is? The guy, our tour guide, just said that we're gonna have to move any minute because the dust is coming towards us.
A little bit, a whole bunch of stuff. All of that is what's going to make us leave.
Oh, look at to the left. Look how much more dust.
All this dust right here, this is what's making us leave because they're afraid that might be somewhere.
And we just felt some rain.
A couple of drops. That's a lot of dust picking up.
Look at that stuff. Feel that wind? Yeah. Cool. And it's starting to get windy. Just blew a guy's hat off. And my sweater's blown off. And it's getting really, really windy. It's just amazing to where it was like dead calm, then a little bit windy. Wow. Look at the grass moving now. I mean, it is getting windy as heck. My camera's trying to fall off.
Back it up.
Yeah, time to go. Okay, this is day 800 and we haven't found shit. But it looks like we may have a big praying mantis in the van. And yep, there's the big praying mantis. It just is. It just is. It just ain't somebody's. I can't take it anymore. I am losing my mind.